Do you love winter? Or maybe not. Do you love the fact that you can wear really cute hats, but you're worried about the frizz that's going to happen when you take off your hat when you've been walking around for a bit? You worked so hard to get that curly style this morning, and then you've got to put a hat on to keep warm, which really, really sucks because when you take the hat off, you get really frizzy. I know you know what I'm talking about. My name's Adina Sherman, author of the ABCs How to Always Be Curly and Love It. I'm a curl expert and also owner of Curly Girl Studio in Toronto. What I want to share with you today is my hair trick. I don't even know. Hair hat trick tip. I don't know, that's like a tongue twister for me. I don't know why I can't get it. When you take the hat off, when you're just wearing the hat, what happens is every single fiber on that little knit hat is going to attach to your hair. So what we're going to do is kind of put something underneath to buffer the effects of the frizz that's caused by the hat. So you can just see what I've done here. I have a hair tube on, and this one's a very long one. So depending on how long your hair is, you could just stuff it in there. And when you put the hat on, this buffers the effect. It's a very, very lightweight microfiber, which is amazing. And don't worry, if you don't have one of these at home, you can make your own with an old pair of tights. Just cut them out from the knee to the hip and just use that as your hair tube as well, and your hair is going to be fine. So when you take it off, there's going to be no fluffy frizz that would have been there. Frizz, fluffy frizz. Look at what happened. It actually maintained itself fairly well. And then you can just feel great about wearing those big fluffy hats and not worry about ruining that really, really, really good curly style that you got in the morning. So that's my tips for now. Thank you so much for joining me. And I look forward to posting some more winter hair hacks, tricks. Have a great day.